Hey guys, Leanna here. Welcome back. I got another GlossyBox. This one I actually paid for. One thing I will say about GlossyBox, they really do give you some nice boxes. These boxes are very sturdy. Look how pretty that is. Can y'all see that? That is a very pretty box. Can definitely be used for other things. Here's the inside. Comes with its card telling you what's in the box. So this is the December box. The inside of the card tells you what you received, a little bit about the product and how much it cost. So the first thing in the box is this Nude Stick. It's a full-size product. It has vitamin E and plant oils in it. It's ultra moisturizing balm. Lightweight, velvety smooth pigment. You can use it on your lips or your cheeks. It retails for $26. I believe that the color is called Posh. It shears out. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. Feels very sticky. We'll check it and see if it dries down. And then we have this exfoliating coffee scrub. I really like coffee scrub. I have some that I have received in another subscription box. This is exfoliating scrub for buttery smooth soft skin. It's from Minetan. Ground coffee exfoliates skin to help with dryness and flakiness. It's got sweet almond and macadamia oils that leave your skin glowing. This is considered to be a deluxe mini, so this is worth $15. A full size is $19.95 and it's 200 grams. So if you've never tried coffee scrub, give it a try. It really exfoliates and makes your skin soft. And then we have this Adaptogen Deep Moisturizing Cream. It's from Youth to the People. This is a deluxe mini. It's formulated for dry, reactive, and sensitive skin. It has plant extracts and peptide complex make it a long-lasting, hydrating formula without clogging your pores. This deluxe mini is worth $18 and the full size, which is 2 ounces, is worth $58. That's little bitty. I don't know what it's got on it. It's got something on it. I like how they put that little shelf in the box so that the box makes you look like you're getting something. Okay. Doesn't have any smell to it unless I've got the virus again. Feels very cooling, very creamy, absorbs nicely with no oily feeling to it. The cheek and lip balm still feels a little tacky. This says 100% vegan and it says no animal testing. And then we have Christophe Robin Scrub, Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. This is a deluxe mini. It says restore balance to your scalp. It's for every hair type and texture. Cleanses, removing buildup, flakiness, and soothing sensitivity. This deluxe mini is $8.48 and the full size is $53. Oh, that smells really good. It says it's a purifying shampoo. It's ideal as a detox or post-coloring treatment. I got another scalp scrub in another box and I was worried about trying it because I was like, how? It's so thick, but it lathers up really nice. I'm sure this one probably does too, and rinses away really clean. So I'm excited to try another scalp scrub. And then we have this K-Glo Soothing Coconut Bio-Cellulose Eye Mask. This is a full size. It's naturally fermented coconut juice, to smooth, nourish, and plump the skin. This retails for $6, which, this is how many pair are in here? One. And that's interesting. It is a mask. I don't know if you can see that. The camera won't pick it up, but these are not the little eye patches. This is actually a mask that covers your eyes. And from the looks of this, this is a Korean beauty brand. And then the last item in the box is a CBD FX hemp-based cannabinoids rose face mask. It's toning, moisturizing. It has broad spectrum hemp formula. There's one mask in here. There's a warning that it's external use only. How many people, I mean, really? The problem is that my card says that I have a foot mask. This is a face mask. So I don't really know what the cost of this is. The foot mask retails for $9.99, and that's for one use, I believe. Although it looks like I was supposed to have gotten 2 foot masks, one peppermint and one lavender, and I got a face mask. I really would have liked to have tried those foot masks. And probably if I'd gotten the foot mask, I'd have wanted to try the face mask, because, you know, we're never happy. So that's everything that I got in my box. The value of my box is $83.47. Last month, GlossyBox sent me a box. They didn't charge me for it. I don't know why they sent me a free box. This box I paid for. I didn't subscribe. I tried out the free box. There was a special and I got a free box. And all I had to do was pay the shipping, which was like $4. And then they sent me a free box, and then I was charged and I got this box. But I never really subscribed. I just tried out the free. Anyway, I'm not sure how I feel about GlossyBox. I love the boxes themselves. They're nice, sturdy, pretty boxes that can be used for something else. I may give it one more shot just for kicks and giggles to see what the next box has in it. But so far it seems like every box that I've gotten, I was supposed to, my card said I had one thing, but what I actually have was something else. If you've never heard of GlossyBox, I will put the link down below in the description. It is a subscription box. Right now they're running a special. You can get your first box for $16. And then after that, if you sign up for if you sign up for a 12-month subscription, they charge you $18 a month with free shipping. Or you can subscribe month to month to month for $21. The boxes are supposed to be worth at least $60, which mine was clearly over that at $83. So that's what I got in my December GlossyBox. I got a pretty box. Got some interesting things. And a face mask that I'm going to put on my feet just for the hell of it to see what happens. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me unbox my GlossyBox. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Christopher, don't put foot mask on your face or face mask on your feet. Actually, you can go to Walmart and get a butt mask. I know because I just bought somebody one for Christmas. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Rolling, rolling, rolling.